Hey everybody! I'm here today to show you and tell you how to memorize piano songs easily. This will be a tutorial, so let's get right into this instructional video tutorial. If you want to memorize any piano song, this is the video for you. There are essentially three things that you can do to memorize any piano song. Whether it's something short, whether it's something long, whether it's something that is super simple or super complex, you can use these three things, and these three steps will allow you to memorize basically any song. Okay, it's not going to be easy. Okay, it's not going to be easy. It's going to take a bit of time, but you can use these steps, and essentially you use them together. They're not in any specific order. You use them all together. Okay, and basically, as you learn and memorize more songs, it will be easier to memorize future songs because you start learning things about songs that are more common. So without further ado, these are the three things. Okay. I'm going to say them quickly and then I'll go over each of them. Number one is practice. Number two is patterns. Number three is listen. So let's go over number one, practice. The more that you practice, the better that you'll be at memorizing that song. Okay, you can't memorize, unless you're some like crazy genius with some natural gift, you probably can't memorize a song without practicing it. It's like necessary to practice it. You need to practice that song. It is super important. The more that you practice the song, the more memorized that it will be, because it gets in your memory, in your mind, by your muscle memory as well. So when I play over here, right, I already know where I'm going for this chorus. I've played those chords so many times, okay? I already know exactly where I'm going. Practice is the key. That's number one, and it is, you have to do it. You have to do it, plain and simple. Number two are patterns. You're going to notice that there are patterns in songs. Songs oftentimes are going to have patterns. Maybe it's the same riff that's played again. Maybe it's the same beat pattern that's played again. Maybe it's the same note sequence or chord sequence that's played again. But you're going to notice that there are patterns. When you notice those patterns, it becomes infinitely easier to memorize that song. So listen for the patterns. Find the patterns. Look for the patterns in the sheet music. And when you get those patterns, when you see those patterns, memorizing the song will be so much easier. Last but not least is number three. Number three is listen. You have to listen to the song. The more that you hear the song, the more ingrained it will be in your mind, the easier it will be to memorize it. What I recommend that you do is record yourself playing the song as well as you can, and then listen to yourself playing it. So listen to that recording of yourself playing the song. What's going to happen is your brain is going to start to automatically pick things out, and you'll notice things about it. And when you play the song, if you're like stopping and you're lost, you're like, I don't know what's next. Because you've listened to it many times, your brain will probably click in and tell you what's next, or at least give you a hint as to what's next because you've heard it so many times. So it's literally that simple. Those are the steps to memorizing songs. If you do those things, you can memorize songs more easily than ever before. And yeah, that's basically it. I got nothing else to say, so we're going to roll the outro for this video. So without further ado, here is the outro. If you like this video tutorial, please be sure to give it a thumbs up. Let me know what you think down below as a comment. And of course, be sure to subscribe for more good videos just like this one. And that's all I have for you today. Thanks for watching.